Hello! I've got an interesting one. It's a Cyclotricity hub, which I think is some kind of crystallite. It looks a bit like a crown motor, I'm sure it's not. They say it's a 250 watt motor, although it might be a little large. It's a 48 volt, 1000 watt thingy they sell it as. Basically I've had to unlace it from the wheel. The customers, I think he said, someone plugged in the charger to here, and I'd imagine that's shorted between the phase and the hall sensor and blown a hall, I think. So is the story behind it. Dust will turn reasonably smoothly. It's not too bad. Cable might be alright, but the hall sensor inside will certainly need to be replaced. No idea how to open it, get into it, anything like that. I can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 Allen bolts on each side. I guess we'll open them, see if we can pop the side cover off. I don't know. So let's have a go. So, let's have these off and see what we uncover. Oh, so like. There's always one, isn't there? Always the last one you get to and all. That's seated well. There it goes. I'm guessing it's not just going to pop off easily. Ah, there's a gap though. Some light taps. There's it loose. A bit of a wiggle. Got to clear this cable, which is giving me a bit of a pain. I don't want to put my fingers in here because if the casing snaps back, like happens in a lot of these larger motors, it will cause me pain. It's getting stuck on this cable here. I don't even think this is the side with the hall sensors. It is not. That honour falls to the other side, which hopefully means I don't have to deal with this. A cable issue. Spin it round and we'll take off this side instead. Still a couple washers left on this. I'm sure will hold me up. Oh, I see. That's why they're still on there. I love bicycle juice. It's delicious, isn't it? It's quite chewed up, that washer there. That's the order they came off in. Don't know if they're factory or not, or if someone's just put them on there. Right. Right, that's those off. Let's try the tapping trick again. There it goes. Okay. Right. Got a surprisingly happy bearing in there. The cassette's sounding a little crusty. This side cover is a 6202 RS. See if I can focus you. There you go. And then bog standard, it's probably a freewheel, screw-on freewheel on here anyway. That's that. Got some grass around there. There's no central bearing because it's a geared motor, a gearless motor. Then this side cover, check what bearing size that is, so I do need to get that off. I think the customer requested if I could replace the bearings as well. Pull this spring back. Now I might have to remove the seal. It's an angled pick. And nope. Oh well, there's the spring back anyway. Let's try again. There it goes, that was the key to pull the spring back first. Cable goes through the side cover, and this side is a 6203 RS, which looks, might have seen better days. 6203 RS. To be honest, actually spins quite nicely, but we could well replace these while we're in here. Just put you back on that. Don't forget which side is which. Phase wire side is a 6203 RS, and the 6202 RS is the hall sensor side. The windings look fine, they don't look burned or anything, which is great news. We've just got our little hall sensors up in here, probably a blown one, I would imagine. But yeah, so that's what's inside, and yeah, thanks for watching.